Marami yung kay Kalil. Yung kay Kalil.
Bakit?
Miss,
Yung cute ka ng kanin. Ano gusto mo, baby?
may ketchup yung
Cute mo naman.
may ketchup.
Video. Cute naman.
Makikisama ako. Yeah, sure. She's gonna be eating off camera. Today my dish is rice with fries. They're the normal chicken wings and then the buffalo chicken wings. Is it spicy? Buffalo is spicy.
Cute mo naman, baby.
Okay, the fries are good. I've tasted them like before I started the video. Splendid. I'm wearing gloves because buffalo is salty and I don't want to get it all over my phone when I end the video. The chicken is fresh. I can tell it's fresh.
Meron ako.
Chicken wings coming in hot, literally. Hot.
Ang lasa na ito kapag walang Sarap na yung plain.
Good. Is this so good? Okay, good. Good. I'm just telling your subscribers. Oh, okay. Not you.
So they can't move or exit the video.
Haters,
Huh?
then don't watch this.
So they can't move or exit the video.
Make sure to like and subscribe. And
Here's the one. I'll tag you.
and mine too. It's highly your
I'm gonna tag you. That. Don't use it as a caption again.
No, don't worry. I'll put wit. Mukbang wit. This time. Like I did in my Minecraft playthrough part 3.
Tell them about this place. It's beside a car wash. There. Yeah.
Idea.
Tell them.
This place is right next to a car wash.
Ito po si Wolverine.
My Coca-Cola. Cause I wanna open this. Right next to me is my aunt. She's the one that treated us.
Love you na. Cute na Wolverine. Hindi ko alam to, may Wolverine.
They should make a Deadpool one.
Baby ako.
I love Deadpool. And Spider-Man.
Your eyes. Hello.
That's mine. It's already cold.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Pwede po ka nga muna ng
Maybe straw pop.
Stop bothering them.
Pwede ka naman din.
Ano na straw? Naka-vlog pa siya.
Chicken number 1. So, time for one. Time for number 2.
akin na kalit. Takat na.
Can you?
Okay na, huwag mo na ganyan eh. Masusugat ka pa eh.
Hindi, para mahawas ko yung straw.
Ha?
Para yung straw hindi.
Hindi, dito ayaw mo mag-ice. Mag-ice ka na lang, baby.
Malamig po siya. Pag hindi na malamig ka. Yeah, I mean I'm right. Good.
You know, mukbangs are a form of ASMR.
Huh?
You know, mukbangs are a form of ASMR.
I don't have a mic.
Dapat nag-cheesecake talaga. Ay, hindi mo po ka na dito. Ay, nag-vlog pala ka.
The best way to entertain your followers by eating fries is take two of them and dip it in and then show them at the camera. Trust.
Cheers.
1, 2, 3. 2. Tingin kayo sa taas. 1, 2, 3. Alin?
Sorry, Mama.
Kahit ba no? Phew.
Hello.
That's a chicken wing.
It's going to be so satisfying.
That's the ketchup.
Tapos right.
In a way like this.
Sarapan na.
Dude, don't dip it in my ketchup.
Pag iuwi si Gaya kayo galing school, lagi yan ang nakain niya. O kaya carbonara. Sobrang favorite niya yung carbonara.
Kalbo? Baliktad. Baliktad. That is good. Whoa. This one looks juicy.
Let's try.
It's good.
Save me a bite of the buffalo skin, okay?
Huh?
Save me a bite of the buffalo skin.
Okay. This is what it looks
Just one bite.
Yeah. Down the hatch it goes. What do you mean gravy? Drum wings are better than wing wings.
Wing wings. What the hell are drum wings?
Wings that look like drumsticks.
Am I gonna drink water?
This is a sequel of my fry mukbang that I did at a McDonald's.
Is Jollibee better than Garden? What's the most better one? What chicken is the most better? This one or the Jollibee one?
The one that my mother makes.
Oh,
That's better.
sweet naman. Pinapili siya kung favorite ng chicken. Jollibee or ito. Sabi niya, the one that my mother makes. Word
Better.
of puro ka word of ano.
But it looks like the skin.
May chicken siya, hindi niya maubos 6 na piraso.
But if you would compare it,
What?
if you would compare it, Jollibee and that.
Hindi ka nagpatis.
The Jollibee.
Sarap sa patis.
But this is number 3. Jollibee's number 2.
Sarap na.
This my
Oh, the chicken. Dear.
Paborito mo. Sarap na.
Tier one.
Kasi yung pinaka number 1 ko yung ano,
You know what?
ginawa
Jollibee's number 3.
rin, mami.
This is number 4, and then yours is first.
Kaan dito
Yeah.
yung bigyan mo si Ate
I
Andy.
forgot to tell you guys.
Eat rice.
Baby,
My birthday's coming
hindi ka
up.
mahilig.
Coming
Try
up
mo lang
August
para may idea
13th.
ka.
It's
Marami naman yan, di ba?
the recording date of this
Hindi,
is
okay na po.
Hindi ka mahilig dyan?
leg wing. The recording date of this
Titira
is
naman po ako ni Kyle ng kahit skin lang.
August
Ang dami
1
nito, sayang.
of 2024. My birthday is
Hindi
on
nakakaubos ka.
August 13. August 13.
Ow. Forgot.
That's good. Wolverine. The Wolverine one is better than the original and the Zero one. Good.
Ilang ka lang yung kape namin.
Mm.
Gusto mo, brown sugar. Coke ka? Alam mo naman, di kita pinagsasoft drinks eh. Diba?
Oo nga ba?
Sa mga higop ka na lang, pwede inom lang siya onte.
Sige.
Bawal kasi siya maraming soft drinks eh.
One sip.
Dude!
3 sip.
Sige. 3 sip.
Tama
Time to
na.
try the buffalo
Kasi
one.
delikado ang soft drinks eh. Kaya ayoko sa soft drinks.
Let's try this
Nalaman ko
buffalo
nga
one.
sa classmate niya, nagsisito pala yan lagi. Tinatago sa akin.
Okay.
I love
Buffalo wing going in.
Eh, nag-ubos nga lang dito sa bahay.
Mm.
Alam mo,
Good.
ganito nila.
I'm full as hell.
Freezer.
I'm stuck,
Freezer.
mami. Mami, I'm stuck. Busog ka.
Okay,
I dipped it in ketchup.
akin yung isa. May patis kayo? Pwede
This is my last big bag.
Upo ka na dun, video ko lang kayo. Dali. Sit ka na dun.
Good spice.
Dali go.
It's actually great spice.
Ay, Andy.
Hello.
Alin.
Good. Oh. The spice is good. Not gonna lie.
Is the ketchup?
Ooh.
Is the ketchup spice?
It has like a bulldog level of a kick.
Oh my god.
Well, 3 levels under bulldog, but it's not. It tastes like it.
Tabi na lang kami ni Ate.
Mami, may natulog sa akin ko yung tinataas ng egg. Sis, hindi dyan. Dyan.
Damn, I really should have ordered the regular one.
The wing's so good.
Pro tip, eat fries with a fork.
No.
It gained more viewers. Trust.
I'm not trying to get viewers. I'm happy with my 26.
Can you switch? Hindi mo change kung palagay mo. And my water. Yeah, that's okay. How about my credit?
Show them the cucumber.
Ate Patis. Ate.
Dude, it's on the table. You can't eat something that's on the table.
I do not care. Those are
Bro,
fries.
it's literally on my. The sauce is literally complimentary napkin.
Bro, if the water,
That's
I'm
not.
gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it. Is it gone?
Wait. Sorry about that.
The cucumber is too oily, but it's okay. I guess.
Something Filipinos do is fries and rice.
Don't forget the ketchup.
And in Philippines, we call rice kanin.
Basically,
Hindi nag-erase talaga si
And
Kylie.
it's,
Hindi
and
mo-
it's not pesos.
Hindi siya talaga
It's not pesos. It's pesos.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
In Philippines, we call one isa.
We call two dalawa.
Yeah. We call three.
Tatlo.
We call four apat. We call five.
and we call
anim.
stupid kalal.
mean Lima.
And we call ugly my sister's name. I can't say that. Ooh. My sister. Hey, what's your TikTok name? Again?
I am not.
I'm gonna
No.
promote you.
No, I don't need promoting. You guys should be the one asking me to promote you guys.
Promote me, please. I'm gonna put some buffalo sauce on the rice. Then
What do you love most?
It barely got
bite
on
it,
there.
bite it. She wants a bite of the chicken, so
No.
go bite.
I'll take a bite of the other one.
Do you love buffalo
Show it to your viewers
or
first.
cheek, leg part?
Go. Here,
What part do you like? I like the leg.
thigh and leg. Thigh and leg.
Me too, giant leg.
Thigh and leg, not giant leg.
I only like leg in the
Mm.
How's it kick? Can I take a bite?
and wing.
Another one? Another one? 3 minutes ago, it was 3 minutes. How is it already 16 minutes? Time flies when you're eating, I guess.
No. Hanggang 17.
Bro, look at look at one of my glove fingers.
Hanggang 17:38.
Nako. That's so good.
That is not the bulldog spice level.
Sobrang
The
mata.
bulldog spice level doesn't go on your tongue, it goes in your throat.
Kasi pag
Tell them that it's really spicy that you aren't lying because damn.
I am not lying. Look at my sister. She's eating the loaded fries to cool it down. She's actually doing it. Fry, ketchup, going in. I'm running out of complimentary ketchup, bro.
My bad.
Okay.
Pwede post mo.
i-post mo ito.
Ako na.
Hindi, okay na.
Ayan.
Oh no!
It's okay. That's fine. That's fine. We have complimentary napkins.
Buti na lang.
Good.
Buti na lang di pa ako natalsikan, hindi yung bag ko. Protect na sa bag.
Acting like it's Gucci or Louis Vuitton. Damn.
It's not Gucci, but it's pretty.
I've been flashed by a literal car. Literally.
Don't overreact. You know what mommy said about that? Both are some nonchalant dreadhead.
Huh? You want the last chicken wing?
Sure.
Huh?
Are you full?
No.
One bite.
One bite, okay. My sister. Not a big bite, okay? Small bite.
Chicken
Small
ko
bite.
pala, sure tayo.
Sige. That's gonna make it this an hour-long video.
Dahil
Oh, come on.
kailangan mo ng bagong ganyan.
Wait, give me.
Kailangan mo ng bagong ganyan kasi magiging...
Give me. Here.
Hindi yan.
I'll cut it.
Okay. Hindi yan.
Sabi ko sa'yo kung hindi kikain ito.
Hindi po. Mas super spicy.
Ay, ganun.
Opo. Here you go. Sige yan.
Okay. Another one.
Matapos na ito.
Drenched in ketchup.
Yun yan.
Italay ka yan, panigurado.
May toothpaste ka na tanggal na. Ay, what the heck? I hate this. Mami, tanggalin mo na to. Tanggalin mo na to. There's
Set the fried side.
Matagal pa to, kamo. Ba't di siya dito bumili?
Come on, tayo.
Lapas? Ah, si RD pala yan.
That is so good.
Nala ko si Lai at Laika.
That's 12 bones right there. Honey glaze.
Ang dahil pag chicken
Yeah.
ni Kylie, oh.
honey.
Honey glaze. First bite going in. Oh, that's weird.
Weird?
At the first, it's weird, but in the end, it's so yummy.
Yeah, the aftertaste is so good.
Mine's the leg, yours the wings.
Can I try?
Sure.
Only one bite.
Mine's the wing.
Ay,
Okay lang, okay lang.
asan yung sa'yo?
Eto.
Eto?
Hmm.
Okay.
Ayan yung kay Kalay. Yan.
Ba't di mo na kunin yung isa?
Ay, good.
Kunin mo na.
Wala, sa kanila. Tag-isa pa siya. It's good.
Mami, akala ko meron ko ganyan.
Kylie, nasaan bone siya? Ay, kaya na bone.
Oo nga eh.
Oh, that's good. Food like that hits the spot once in a while, bro.
What the heck?
We only have a few pieces of chicken left. You can do this. Is this
Yeah.
the one that you took from?
Yeah, it's yours.
This is
I'm
mine.
gonna drench it in ketchup.
Why? Because you don't like the taste?
It's just
Di
improve
ba?
it.
Tapos na po ako.
I want tissue.
Really
I
good.
was on at least an hour ago.
Huh?
I love you.
I was on ever since you started recording.
Kain ka lang na. Nakailan ka?
Naubos ko na.
Hindi, nakaisa ka ba lang?
Here din tayo sa fries. Tayong tatlo. Ay, apat. Ay, lima. Anim pala.
Last bite.
Pito
You
pala.
guys want some?
You haven't even told it yet.
Huh?
You haven't told it yet.
No, what?
Your loaded fries.
I know.
Mami, tanggal na yung ipin ko.
Kylie,
Huwag mo nang tanggalin. Pinutulak pa lalo eh.
Kylie, eto na sa'yo, yung last na yan.
Kaya na.
Sa'yo na daw last.
Can't handle it.
Pag-wash ka dun, yun yung wash na. Bibig mo lahat. Wash na.
Ano ba na po yun?
I can't.
What you can?
Pwede naman magugulat.
Nakablap ko
Huwag mo
ako.
hawakan.
Magugulat mo.
Okay,
Kainin mo na may class.
last one. Last bone wing.
Aray.
You do not eat much, bro.
Oh, sige, kamayin mo na.
Take this metal can off so we can reveal
Bukas
that.
lapisan.
That looks so good. Last piece of the honey glazed chicken wings and drum wings going in.
Ato na akin din ah.
You guys do not edit your videos.
We know.
Mami, pwede pagkatapos namin ni Kale.
1, 2, 30. 1, 2, 30. Na ako.
Can you give us 1 minute?
Ha? Ba't ganun?
Mami, can you give us 1 minute? Because maglaro kami ni Kale.
Oo. Mag-wash ka na, mag-wash ka na.
Honey glazed.
Atin, dahil pa natira oh. Lechong kawali. Okay na. Dahil pa oh. Dati na nag-ati ka na.
Face!
Kasi onti lang tayo sa ulam eh. No?
tao pa.
Ano niya tayo malakas na
Bonus.
May tao pa.
Okay lang mag-wash sa labas.
Piso na lang.
Anak yun, no? Tapos mag-wash ka na ka. Arribi yun.
Oh,
The two flavors of fries that I have access to going in.
May G6 speed yan.
2 flavors?
ikaw nga nagkakape, pinapabigyan
Sour cream
ka.
too? Yo! Show them all of the plates that you finished after the video. Okay. Second flavor.
We didn't finish the fries yet.
It tastes like potato corn and fries.
Busin nyo lang. Tulungan mo si Guy.
So good.
Patikin mo kayo sila.
Something Sam should go in.
Dati, tikman mo po.
But my mommy tastes it.
Subo mo, subo.
Sabihin mo lang sa potato corn na.
Te, nagpapasubo-subo ako
Potato
na.
corner.
Si Tit Mami din kayo, subuan mo. Ay, ito na to. Ay, ito na.
Wait lang, hindi ko ba yung tapos na dito. Wait. There we go.
Ikaw na nasama ni Mami sa'yo, right? Ha? Kasi kukunin ko yung regalo eh. Para makasama tayo.
27 minutes?
Sama ko.
Ay, nga ikaw mag-e-bike.
This must be my longest video.
Nakuha ko na regalo. Pagka ni Andy Lewis agad.
Oh, Andy.
Bakit ba mahal eh?
Mga 1 to 30.
Here.
Baka may 7 pence sila, ma'am. 70 at 220. Ha? Bali 1 to 37. Hanggang nila.
Ay, ito po.
Alin, alin, mag-wash na kayo ng hand.
May tao pa eh. Check natin na rin.
Kay Lili ka muna, anak. Kayo ka nung ganyan eh.
When you clean up, pause the video first while you're cleaning up, and then come back and then say bye. So look how many points are there. Show this. All the platters. One stack. Yeah, all of everything that you ate.
I love the hand scroll.
This is how many platters I finished.
No,
And not a cup of water,
I know,
but
pero
Coke.
siya tayo, diba? Oo. Meatball, I finished.
So, na.
Chicken bones and leftover complimentary ketchup. And last thing,
Alam mo kung SM nerd to? Marami, mas marami. Pretty cool.
it's pretty greasy.
Marami, mas marami.
Kita mo tayo bahay.
Mas SM nerd ka. Mas marami mabibili. J.Q. Senior.
Pwede mo
That's good.
Bye-bye.
Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. Make sure to like, subscribe, share. Yeah, bye.